Yeah, man. Anything in the house, There, we there. Life we living. Wake up and live. Huh? Big up yourself, man. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I see you. Glory be to Most High. Maker of all creations, as it was in the beginning, shall be everlasting. Yeah, man. Anything. Say a prayer. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allah is great. There's a lot going on. Too many people are talking about narcissism and narcissistic abuse. That is there. Yeah. And also there's people who that cannot survive without other people. They can't survive without other people. That we know. And that they call, in other name, they call parasite. Parasite, they can't survive by themselves. They have to survive on other people, so you gotta be careful. Yeah. You have to go to places that no one else has been to. Yeah. But also, it's your journey that is important. So do what is best for you. If you gain knowledge, that knowledge is first, it begins with you. You have to understand the knowledge yourself. You don't be in a rush to go and teach other people what you haven't understood yourself. That is what I have come to see. You have to gain your own experience. Seek the truth always. There is too many influence. If you are a good listener, they want the good listeners. So where attention goes, any energy flows. Careful where you are directing your attention. Careful who you are loving. You have to love yourself first. Love begins with you. Care for yourself first. Yeah, it's not about being selfish. Just you have to feel. You have to feed yourself first. You have to feel good. Yeah, if it's dressing, you have to dress well. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to love what is outside of you when you haven't loved yourself and shown the love to yourself. I don't know if you are getting me, but you will get it as time goes by. So yeah, I have seen a lot. I can talk only about what I have seen and my experience in life. So when it comes to money, you can save a lot of money when you are not eating, when you know how to manage your food. Yes, if you eat once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, whatever you are eating, if it is cooked food or if it is raw, organic, non-cooked, that comes to it. It comes down to what you put in your mouth, how you control what you put in your mouth and what you chew. You can't swallow something without chewing and tasting. Some people, they eat for taste, some eat for nutrition, some eat for, I don't know, they know it themselves. When it comes to eating, nothing is going to happen to you if you don't eat even the whole day. So if you believe that something will happen if you don't eat the whole day, nothing is going to happen. You can survive on liquids. You can survive on liquids. You can drink water, hot water, coffee, hot tea. You can drink your juices if you like. Mixing it up in the blender. Yeah, as you guys, you do it. For those who just eat their fruits and they just chew it and swallow it, yeah, it also happens. So vegetables is better than fruits. Vegetables, yeah, because in the fruits you have the taste, the sweet taste. Yeah, vegetables, they are green, and the green is better. You can survive on greens also. The color green is better. The color green doesn't give out feelings. If you are in the nature, yeah, there's no feelings. Everything good, everything all right. So there's no need to do exercise. Yeah, you can just stand. You can walk around. Jogging is not a must. You can climb a tree. Me, I stopped doing those exercises, push-ups, all of those. No need. Yeah, I meditate without doing no exercise. Yeah, nature. Nature is where we belong. Nature is where we belong. Give me a passport so I can travel around the world. Around the world. Give me a passport so I can travel around the world. I'll be coming to an area next to you sooner or later. Bow down to Most High only. Bow down to Most High only. Bow down to Most High only. I no bow down to no man. No bow down to no man. I no bow down to no man. I no bow down to no man. No man. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Glory to Most High, great, the sustainer of all things, maker of all creations. Life giver. Life is the greatest thing. As long as you have life, you have everything. You have everything. Only life comes on a silver platter. For this breath I never want to work harder. For this breath I never have to work harder. For this breath I never have to work harder. For this breath I never have to work harder. Life comes on a silver platter. For this breath, never have to work harder. Don't judge me for to how I look maga. Good things I always do, I'm not a badass.